Lily is being Rapunzel on parade.
No, let's do it in the living room.
Okay. Come on. Here we go. All right, Ocean, walk by and wave. I'm ready for the parade.
It's my job to fix really useful engines.
Hi.
And it makes me very happy. Come with me.
Come with me.
Ocean's on parade too.
Thank you, Victor.
Come with me. Do you want a cup of tea?
I would love a cup of tea.
And have some cake.
Okay.
I had strawberry cake when I was there, and they put in chocolate icing on.